Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bessie. I hope you guys are staying fabulous. Okay, so today I have come your way with another video. Okay, and this video is about the turmeric, honey and milk face masks. Okay, I tried this challenge for 5 days and I'm gonna be telling you guys shortly how it went for me and the kind of skin type I have. Okay, I don't know the name, I'm not a skin doctor, but basically from experience and everything, I have a very sensitive skin. So anyway, this is just an introduction. You guys will have to watch the video to the end to see my process from day one to So guys, this is day 3. As you guys can see, my face is actually clearing out. This is morning and I've washed my face. So make sure you apply it on a clean face. Wash your face with any kind of soap you have. What am I saying? Anyway, I'm just talking to myself. Don't mind me, guys. But yeah, make sure you wash your face before you apply. Okay? All right. So guys, my mom had to show in this video. I'm so sorry, but she was literally asking me if I'm making a video. Can you imagine? Anyway guys, I just showed you guys what I was using, but for the sake of those that didn't really see it, because I was trying to dodge her, still she did not go. Can you imagine? Anyway, I'll show you guys what I use at the end of the video, but that's what I'm applying on my face after I took my shower. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm just back from exercise. I'm all sweaty and I've washed my face. I'm still fanning myself, actually. You can see that. So I'm just trying to apply the turmeric right now. And yeah, let's just get this done. See, as you're watching this thing, just ignore my hair. My edges are flipping and I don't know. But anyway, I hope you guys are watching how I'm going about it. This mixture seems to be a little bit thick. However, it did stick well. And I'm going to let it sit on my face for 30 minutes before I take my shower rather. So stay tuned guys, and I'll give my final review at the end of this video. You will want to hear it, I promise you. So don't go, okay? Yay! Hi guys, we made it to day 5. Okay, so that's the mixture and it's a bit watery and I'm just applying it now to my face. My face is already washed, so be sure to apply it to a very clean face. Clean your face, guys. I cannot overemphasize it. Wash your face before anything, okay? Alright, so I kind of like this mixture compared to the first day, second day I started, and also the last I think the 4th day. It doesn't really, so anyway, I love this mixture and I'm gonna be washing it off while I'm taking my shower, okay? And I will be back soon. Don't go anywhere. Point out 3 things about this face mask. 1, if you have an oily skin and a sensitive skin, be sure to have a good moisturizer. If your face accepts the lotion type, like the creamy, you guys know what I'm talking about, yes? The one that's not like in gel form, that's just like lotion. Yeah, I actually said that. Okay, basically that doesn't really work for me so well. It gives me some itchy whatever because I have a sensitive skin. But if you have one that works for you, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to try it. I love trying out new stuffs. I hope it doesn't destroy my face, but whatever. You're gonna take the risks. What is good is good at the end of the day. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use after washing off the face mask. That's the turmeric face mask, okay? And and I'm gonna be telling you guys where you can find this wherever you are in Nigeria or outside Nigeria. Yes. So basically, this is the aloe vera. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, this is the, I'm gonna write it down in case you didn't catch the picture and everything. So guys, this is what I use after I wash off the face mask, and so far it has been helpful, because when I came back to Nigeria, it was a struggle for me. So you can get this in Nigeria. You're in Abuja. I know about the Abuja. I don't know about Lagos. I'm sure Lagos is a big business place. For sure, you guys are gonna see it in any of the mall, Ikeja shopping mall, ShopRite, name it. Just go there. You're gonna find it. I'm sure. Find it. Get the shop is Miniso. It's a Japanese store. So you're gonna find it there. Just go there and go to their facial stuff section. I mean, I don't know if it's arranged differently here in Nigeria, but you guys go check and you're gonna see it there. If you're in Abuja, you can go to Wuse Zone 7 in the ShopRite. I think yeah, it's Wuse Zone 7. Yeah, go there, and the ShopRite, there's a Miniso shop in there. You're gonna find it also. That's if they have it, considering the fact that, I mean, the pandemic and everything. I don't know if they are stocked, if they have the products right now, or they are waiting for products. However, if you eventually find it, then I'm happy for you. So, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Have you tried it? How was it like for you? Are you gonna try it? Am I convincing you enough to try it? You should go try it, okay? So guys, thanks for stopping by, and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.